In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Mailbox on Yahoo. We're focusing on removing a connected mailbox like a Gmail account from Yahoo Mail so it stops syncing there. This doesn't delete your external email account, it simply unlinks it from Yahoo. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar at the top, type yahoo.com and press enter. When the Yahoo homepage loads, look toward the upper right corner and find the Sign In option. Click Sign In, then follow the on-screen process to log into your Yahoo account. Depending on your security settings, you might be asked for a verification code or to confirm on a trusted device. Go through those prompts and give it a moment to finish signing in. Once you're in, look again to the upper right and click Mail to open Yahoo Mail. When your inbox appears, head to the top right corner and click the settings icon. A small panel will slide out. At the bottom of that panel, click More Settings to open the full settings page. On the left side of the More Settings screen, select Mailboxes. Here you'll see a list of mailboxes associated with your Yahoo Mail, including any external accounts you've connected. Find the mailbox you want to remove, for example a Gmail or Google account, and click it to open its details. Inside that mailbox's details, look for the option labeled Remove Mailbox and click it. Yahoo will ask you to confirm, just to make sure you really want to proceed. Click Remove Mailbox again to finalize. After a moment, the connected mailbox will be unlinked and it will disappear from your mailboxes list. A couple of quick notes to keep things clear. Removing a mailbox stops Yahoo from fetching new messages from that external account, and it won't delete the external account itself. If you need any messages that were already pulled into Yahoo, review them before you proceed so you know what's there. If you don't immediately see mail on the Yahoo homepage, you can also go directly to mail.yahoo.com to reach your inbox. And if the settings panel looks slightly different, it's usually just a layout change. Keep an eye out for the gear icon and the More Settings link at the bottom. That's it. You've successfully removed a connected mailbox from Yahoo Mail. If you change your mind later, you can always come back to this area and reconnect the account when needed. Thanks for watching.